Oh, it's so hot. Even the ice gave up.
Maybe the fridge is tired too.
You're absolutely right. I'm done freezing today.
Wait, did the fridge just talk?
Yeah, and now it looks, off?
Exactly. I'm officially on vacation. No freezing, no cooling, just chilling.
Come on, buddy. If you stop working, the ice cream's doomed.
Yeah, we'll clean you, polish you, even give you new magnets.
Tempting. But I already booked my spa day.
Okay, Operation Cooldown begins in 3, 2, 1.
Cold air, engage!
You two are ridiculous, but it's kind of refreshing.
Finally, my kind of weather.
All right, fans here, ice there, we got this.
Careful, the bottle's sliding. I approve cautiously.
Okay, aim the sunlight right at his door. Steady.
It's blinding me. I can't see anything.
Oh no, we cooked the fridge.
Quick, hydration mode.
I got it. We don't need cold or hot. We need balance.
Balance? Like yoga for the fridge?
Okay, fan speed to level 3. Ice ready.
Temperature stable, almost perfect.
This feels coolly balanced.
Hey! I wasn't ready for that. No. Classic fridge. You can't be trusted.
I'm just keeping you on your toes.
I still can't believe the fridge is drinking juice.
Yeah, don't spill it, buddy. Hey, even cool guys need a cool drink.
Whoa! Dude, you spilled the whole thing.
Even fridges make a mess, I guess.
Cleanup team, please.
Looks like he really feels bad about that spill.
Yeah, but honestly, I kinda like helping him out.
You know, today was crazy, but it was kind of fun too.
Yeah, and I think he liked being with us, even without the drama. There. Now he knows he's part of us.
Yeah, feels like the perfect ending to our summer day.